Tesla is now launching a completely new and updated version of the Tesla Semi, one of the world's fastest and most aerodynamic electric trucks. The company has officially confirmed that mass production will begin next year. Previously, the truck was only produced in limited units, keeping it out of the public eye for a long time. But now, things have completely changed. Elon Musk and his team have fully prepared the Tesla Semi's new production line so that anyone, not just large logistics companies, will be able to easily order it starting next year. According to Tesla's lead engineer, Dan Priestley, this new version will cost less than before, and the company's new automated factory system will allow the truck to be assembled in just minutes, a process that previously took months. This means Tesla will not only be able to produce its semi-truck faster, but also make it accessible to more people. Elon Musk himself has stated that in the future, Tesla could put millions of semi-trucks on the roads, which could even be fully autonomous. The question now arises, what will happen to traditional truck companies when this new, affordable, and high-performance version of the Tesla Semi hits the market? Will it change the trucking industry forever? And what battery technology is it equipped with? And yes, before we continue, subscribe to the channel to be the first to see such real and exciting updates. The story of the Tesla Semi isn't about an ordinary truck, but about a project that dreamed of reshaping the global trucking industry. When Elon Musk first introduced the Tesla Semi to the world in 2017, everyone believed it would become the face of trucking in the future. At the time, Tesla claimed that its performance would be exponentially better than any diesel truck. Elon Musk had said at the time that this truck would not only be fast, but would also symbolize zero-emission freight transport. A truck of the future that would emit no smoke, no noise, and yet be more powerful than ever before. But, as has been the case with many Tesla projects, the Semi's journey wasn't easy. After its launch in 2017, Tesla had promised production would begin by 2019. However, significant challenges related to battery technology and the supply chain emerged. The company was then focusing more on mass production of its 4680 cells and the Model 3, causing the Semi project to gradually fall by the wayside. Furthermore, developing the high-capacity battery pack required for such a large electric truck was no easy task. Tesla needed a cell pack that could deliver a lot of power without adding too much weight. And achieving this balance took years. Because of this, the Semi was postponed several times. Then came the COVID pandemic, which upended the entire auto industry. Tesla factories closed, component shortages occurred, and the global supply chain collapsed. Semi-production halted again. Some even began to speculate that the Tesla Semi might never be seen on the ED roads again. But Elon Musk is a man who doesn't believe the word "give up" is in his dictionary. He revived the project in 2022 and delivered the first few units to major companies like PepsiCo. Meanwhile, many began to think that the Tesla Semi might become just a showpiece. But Elon Musk always has a long-term vision. He's repeatedly stated, "The Tesla Semi isn't just a truck, it's the future of trucking." And now, nearly 8 years later, Tesla is preparing to relaunch the truck. And this time, no one is taking it lightly. The company has confirmed that mass production of the Tesla Semi will begin in 2026. Tesla has completed its preparations this time. A separate assembly line has been created for the Semi in the new Gigafactory Nevada and Texas, which will operate on a fully automated system. This means that a truck can now be manufactured in just a few hours, instead of months, as before. Elon Musk said that this time the battery technology of the Semi will also be more advanced than before, meaning longer range, faster charging, and better efficiency. It will also weigh less than the previous version, and the aerodynamic design will make it faster, The return of the Tesla Semi isn't just a relaunch of an old project, but rather proof that the company is learning from its shortcomings and returning stronger. With global fuel prices rising and discussions about climate change escalating, this move by Tesla could bring about a major change not only for technology, but also for the environment. Elon Musk says that millions of Tesla semi-trucks will be on the road in the coming years, and these trucks will be fully autonomous. Battery and range. Tesla's greatest strengths. The Tesla Semi's greatest strengths lie in its battery and range, the heart that drives the entire truck. When Elon Musk first showcased the Semi in 2017, he claimed that the truck could travel approximately 500 miles on a single charge. At the time, this figure was a shock to the entire trucking world, as no other electric truck had been able to cover such long distances. Today, in 2025, Tesla has taken this technology even further. The Semi is now equipped with Tesla's proprietary 4680 lithium-ion cell technology, which stores more energy and is more efficient than before. These cells deliver more power, charge faster, and better regulate temperature, preventing overheating. This new battery in the Tesla Semi not only provides a longer range, but also enables the truck to haul heavier loads. On a full charge, the truck can travel over 500 miles, and this range can be further increased with a lighter load. Several initial test reports have shown that the Semi consumes approximately 1.7 kWh per mile of energy while traveling on the highway, which is considered very efficient for such a large truck. By comparison, a diesel truck burns over 200 liters of diesel to cover the same distance. This not only increases fuel costs, but also significantly increases carbon emissions. Tesla's Semi eliminates both of these problems. No petrol, no diesel, just clean energy and smart battery management. Now let's talk about its charging system. And this is the part Tesla has truly created. Tesla has developed a special mega charger network for the Semi. This isn't a typical charger. It charges the truck up to approximately 70% in just 30 minutes. This means the driver can take a short break, and the truck is ready to go for over 400 miles again. This network is gradually being deployed across the US and Europe so that long-haul truck drivers don't have to stop anywhere. The megacharger's speed is so fast that it delivers over 1 megawatt of power, far surpassing any other electric vehicle charger in the world. Tesla has used its own battery manufacturing technology in the Tesla Semi's battery pack, making it cheaper to manufacture than before. The unique feature of the 4680 cells is their tabless design, meaning they lack traditional metal connections, which accelerates energy flow and reduces heat generation. This not only increases battery life, but also reduces charging time. Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that the primary goal of the Tesla Semi isn't just to make the truck electric, but to demonstrate that electric technology can perform better than petrol or diesel, even in heavy vehicles. And now that the first semi-trucks are in service with PepsiCo and other companies, reports indicate that the truck reduces operating costs by approximately 50% per year. Driving is smooth, maintenance is minimal, and, most importantly, it's completely carbon-free. The Tesla Semi's battery is integrated with the company's energy recovery system, which returns energy generated during braking to the battery. This is called regenerative braking. This means the truck will recharge itself the more it travels. This is why the Semi's efficiency is many times higher than any diesel truck. Tesla engineers say that in the upcoming version, the truck will use a new high-density pack, which will provide even more range. This is the same technology that Tesla is also working on in models like the Cybertruck and Model S Plaid. After this, the company may move to next-generation batteries like solid-state batteries, which will double the energy density. Design and aerodynamics. The Tesla Semi's design makes it clear at first glance that it's no ordinary truck. Elon Musk and his team have designed it to be not only powerful, but also highly aerodynamic. While typical diesel trucks have a boxy and bulky shape, the Tesla Semi's design is so smooth and sleek that it creates minimal air resistance. According to Tesla, its drag coefficient is just 0.36, close to that of a supercar like the Bugatti Chiron. This is astonishing, as such low air resistance is not typically possible in such a large vehicle. A major reason for this is its curved windshield design. The front windshield is completely curved and uniform, allowing air to easily glide over the truck. This is why the Semi neither makes much noise nor increases drag while moving. Tesla has also partially covered the truck's wheels to reduce turbulence generated by the tires as they roll. This small change significantly increases the Semi's efficiency. The Tesla Semi's lightweight chassis is also one of its highlights. The entire body is made from aluminum and composite materials, reducing weight without compromising strength. This not only allows the truck to accelerate quickly, but also increases battery life, as a lightweight body consumes less energy. The interior design is as futuristic as the exterior. The driver's seat is positioned centrally, in an airplane-like position, to give the driver an equal view of both sides. Two large touchscreens are installed on either side, displaying all the truck's information, navigation, and camera views. Tesla has replaced traditional mirrors with high-resolution cameras, reducing drag and increasing visibility. Autonomous revolution. The era of self-driving trucks. Elon Musk has always said that vehicles will drive themselves in the future, and the Tesla Semi is bringing this dream closer to reality. The Semi isn't just an electric truck, it marks the beginning of the trucking industry's next big change. The autonomous revolution, the era of self-driving trucks. Tesla has equipped its Semi with the same autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) systems found in vehicles like the Model S, Model 3, and Cybertruck, but they've been further advanced for trucking needs. This means the truck can drive autonomously on highways, recognize traffic, control braking and acceleration, and even intelligently avoid vehicles crossing the road. The Tesla Semi's sensors and camera system provide a 360-degree view. These high-resolution cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors constantly monitor the road. The AI system processes the data coming from these systems in real time and makes instant decisions. All of this is powered by a neural network trained by Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, which learns from billions of kilometers of data every day. The more people drive Teslas, the smarter this system becomes. Now that this technology has been integrated into the semi-truck, imagine a truck that can cover thousands of kilometers on the highway, day and night, without fatigue or error. The biggest benefit of this technology will be to logistics companies. Currently, trucking companies have to hire 2 drivers for one truck, and for long distances, there are additional expenses for rest and salaries. But when the truck drives itself, this cost could be reduced by up to 70%. The truck will not need brakes, food, or rest, only charging. This means that where previously a truck would cover 700–800 kilometers a day, now the same truck will be able to cover 1,500 kilometers without stopping. This means faster delivery, lower costs, and double profits. The Tesla Semi's autonomous system isn't limited to just driving the truck. It features a unique technology called platooning mode, in which 2 or 3 semi-trucks automatically follow in a line behind a lead truck. This is a kind of digital convoy, where the front truck sets the path and the others follow automatically. This not only keeps traffic smooth, but also reduces wind resistance, increasing battery efficiency and range. Elon Musk says that in the future, the Tesla Semi will be fully Level 5 autonomous, meaning the truck will be able to complete the entire journey without human control. Currently, the company is testing it at Level 4, where the driver only monitors and can override the system if necessary. Tesla Semis are already being tested on autopilot at several locations in the United States, and initial reports indicate they have been very successful. Overall, the Tesla Semi is set to redefine trucking. Whereas driving a truck once required strength, patience, and hours of hard work, artificial intelligence and sensors are now handling this task. This will prove to be a game-changer for logistics companies, reducing costs, faster deliveries, and zero accidents. In the coming years, when these self-driving trucks become a common sight on the roads, perhaps people will look back and say, yes, that was the moment the true future of trucking began. New factory setup. Gigafactories Semi-Zone. Tesla has always called its factories machines that build the machine, meaning factories that are technological marvels in their own right. And now that's being proven again, as Tesla has created a separate Semi-Zone within its new factory system specifically for semi-trucks. This section is so advanced and automated that Elon Musk himself said, "This will be the world's first fully automated truck assembly line." This semi-zone is being built at Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada and Texas, where mass production of the Semi is about to begin. The unique feature of this semi-zone is that almost every task here is performed by robotic arms and AI-driven sensors. While it used to take dozens of engineers and mechanics to assemble a truck, the same task is now completed in a matter of hours with the help of robotic systems and artificial intelligence. This system precisely assembles each component, whether it's the chassis, battery pack, or motor unit. Machines automatically determine where and with what torque to fit each part based on sensor data. This is why the production speed of the Tesla Semi has increased exponentially. Tesla has adopted modular assembly units in this semi-zone. This means that the truck isn't built as a whole. Instead, each module, such as the battery, drive unit, frame, and cabin, is manufactured separately and finally assembled. This method is not only fast, but also extremely flexible. If a single component needs to be repaired, the entire line doesn't need to be stopped. Only that module is upgraded. This same system is used in other Tesla projects, such as the Model Y and Cybertruck, but it's been made even more advanced for the Semi. Another unique feature of this factory is the excellent coordination between humans and robots. Tesla calls it a human plus AI collaboration zone. This means that humans provide supervision where needed, while AI systems handle the rest. For example, tasks like welding, painting, and precision fitting are fully automated, while humans perform final inspections for quality checks. This combination not only increases factory productivity, but also reduces errors to almost zero. Tesla has designed this semi-zone to be completely energy efficient. A large portion of the electricity generated here comes from solar panels installed on the factory roof, and the remaining energy is stored in Tesla Powerwall and Megapack systems. This significantly reduces the factory's carbon footprint. Elon Musk has stated that in the coming years, this semi-zone will have the capacity to produce more than 50,000 trucks annually. While the Semi was previously produced in limited units, this factory will allow Tesla to achieve mass production. And as production increases, the price will decrease, making the Semi accessible to more people and companies. Price drop and market strategy. One of the biggest highlights of the new version of the Tesla Semi is its low price. Tesla's lead engineer, Dan Priestley, recently revealed that the upcoming Semi model will be priced significantly lower than before. This means that trucks that were previously only affordable for large companies like PepsiCo, Walmart, or UPS will now be accessible to smaller fleet owners and logistics startups. But the question arises, how is this possible? The answer is scale and automation. Tesla has developed a fully automated production line for the Semi at its new Gigafactory. While previously it took weeks to assemble each truck, the same task is now completed in a matter of hours. This has significantly reduced Tesla's production costs. Robotic systems and AI-driven machines have significantly reduced the need for manual labor, making the manufacturing process both cheaper and faster. In addition, Tesla is now manufacturing its own 4680 battery cells. Previously, the company relied on external suppliers, which resulted in higher costs. But now, with its own battery production, Tesla has better control over its raw materials. This has directly impacted the Semi's price. The same batteries that were previously expensive are now produced at a lower cost. Tesla has also optimized the design of the battery pack to provide more range with fewer units. Elon Musk's strategy is clear. As Tesla Semi production increases, its costs will decrease. This is called economy of scale. The more units produced, the lower the cost per truck. And as Tesla produces thousands of semi-trucks annually, its price will fall even further. Tesla's goal is to make the Semi as affordable as, or even more affordable than, diesel trucks in the coming years. This will encourage adoption not only by large companies, but also by small business owners. And since the Semi's maintenance costs are already very low, no engine oil, no fuel costs, its lifetime operating costs will be many times lower than any conventional truck. When we see Tesla Semis everywhere on the road, maybe we'll realize this isn't just a truck, but the machine of the future. If you want to be the first to see these original and exciting updates, subscribe to the channel now.